Hello, this is XTaluminum, a professional aluminum profile manufacturer. We specialize in producing high-quality aluminum profile products covering a wide range of applications and providing customized solutions for customers worldwide. First, our aluminum fence profiles, designed for outdoor safety and protection, are widely used in residential, commercial areas, parks, and other places. They are not only lightweight in design and easy to install, but also have high-strength aluminum alloy, corrosion and rust resistant, and adaptable to various climatic environments. We have a wide range of styles and colors available to meet different design needs. Next is our shower aluminum profiles, which are specially made for the bathroom industry, taking into account the beauty and practicality. These aluminum profiles are anodized on the surface, waterproof and moisture-proof, not easy to oxidize and discolor, and have a solid structure, so they can be an excellent choice for home improvement. In the modern home field, our cabinet aluminum profiles are popular in the market, combining fashion sense and durability. These aluminum profiles are coated, brushed, electrophoresis, and other surface treatment, suitable for different home styles. Green and environmentally friendly, high-strength materials, wear-resistant and pressure-resistant, can ensure the structural stability of the cabinet. Let's take a look at our aluminum U profiles, which are lightweight, durable, and solid structure, widely used in wall decoration, LED light troughs, glass borders, etc. U-shaped aluminum profiles can be customized with sizes, colors, and surface treatments according to customers' needs, which can be flexibly adapted to all kinds of projects. Meanwhile, they are easy to install and maintain, which can improve the construction efficiency. Regardless of the type of aluminum profiles, we have a modern production plant with advanced equipment and strict quality inspection system to ensure that every batch of aluminum profiles meets international standards. We provide OEM/OBM service, support customization from drawings, and provide personalized solutions for customers. Our products have been exported to many countries around the world, widely used in construction, home, industry, and other fields. Trusted by customers. XTaluminum, professional aluminum profile manufacturing. Welcome to cooperate and negotiate.